Hi everybody, I'm Joey with Create with Joey, and I just wanted to come on and show you my new club cards and share with you how you can be a part of my Be Creative Club. It's a subscription club, although you can also take it for 1 month if you want to and just give it a try. It meets both in person and it's available to go as well. So I'm in Lincoln, Nebraska. If you live in Lincoln, I'd love for you to come and craft with me. It meets on the 4th Thursday of every month, normally, unless there's a holiday in the middle there someplace. But what you'll get for Be Creative Club is you get a box of craft supplies. You get, I send her around, I do 5, sorry, I know, my phone, my husband is out of town and I'm getting texts clicking in on the top of my phone. Sorry for the distraction. Anyway, it's a subscription club, and after 6 months you get $25 free and free product if you join for every month. And this next month coming up in May is the new bundle from Stampin' Up called Country Flowers. So this is the new stamp set. I can't open the catalog and show you. And these are the dies. I'll show you the cards I made though, so that you can see what cards you would be making in May. You will be making, and these are the dies. Let me flip the phone down. I think it'll probably be actually easier to see everything. So hang on. I have to click a tool here, and then I'll go upside down and you'll be right side up. So there we go. Takes a minute for Facebook to actually get everything squared away, and so I have my iPad here so I can see what you're seeing. There we go. It looks like I'm pretty good in the picture so far. All right, so let me show you this again. So this is a stamp set, and I love the images in this stamp set. They're so pretty. You have this little teapot, which I really love, and then this little pail for putting flowers in, a little bench, and you can mix and match all these leaves and everything. It has multiple sentiments. Best friend ever, so lucky to know you, sending love. I've used this actually several times already, and unfortunately I've used the sympathy one as well already. These are the dies, what they look like. So obviously these dies cut out the images, and then you have all these other dies. So look at this cute little teapot lid that goes on top of the teapot. And then you have all these flowers that you can go one crank through the die cutting machine and get all these flowers and all these leaves. So I have really had a lot of fun playing with it. So I created 5 cards for May that you'll get to make. I'll show you those in a minute, but let me show you what all you get first. I see I'm kind of not completely in the video. So this is the DSP that I used. This is called Country Woods Designer Series paper. You'll get a sampling of this paper, and I always send some DSP with every card kit because you need the DSP to create your cards. So I just fell in love with this paper. Once you start playing with it, it's just super fun. All the wood grains. When I show you my cards, I think you'll fall in love with it too. And I can't wait to do more creating with it. You always get gems, some kind of gems. I shouldn't say always, but most of the time. You always get $20 to $25 worth of products in your kit to help make more projects. Well, where are my gems? Oh, here they are. So this month it's this pack of gems I use for my cards: neutrals, adhesive back, sequins. And then these are the ribbons I used to create this cards as well. So you will get some of each of these. You will definitely have enough to make all your cards and much more to make more cards with it. So now let me show you the good stuff, the cards I made. Oh, I guess there are 4 cards this month and then a tea bag holder. So here are my cards. So we'll just do this. Will be a sneak peek. Here's one. Here's another one. Here's another one. I use Petal Pink, Misty Moonlight for my colors, and some green. So this is both Mossy Meadow and Old Olive. So there's a little sneak peek of the cards. And then the tea bag holder. This is a little tea bag holder. And I always send a PDF tutorial as well. So you can put a little gifty tea bags to somebody, sending love. So those are all the cards. Now you're probably asking, well, it's probably not free. No, it's not free. But it is. Well, here, let me bring these back in at least in a little pile so you can see them a little bit still of the sneak peeks. What it costs is $37 a month if you're local, and it's $45 a month if you need shipping. If you want to take it for just 1 month, it is, we'll get rid of that light, we don't need it. It is a little bit more, it's a few dollars more to try it for 1 month, but you certainly can do that. I will put the link in the comments to the page on my blog where it tells all about my club. You do need to subscribe by the 10th of the month. You can subscribe after the 10th of the month, but then you'll get the following month's kit. Does that make sense? All right, so I'm gonna bring you back up here. I will put a link, as I said, in the comments. This is a Facebook Live, so I'll put a link in the comments. I'm also uploading it to YouTube, so if you're interested and you're watching on YouTube, all those links will be in the video description. So I hope you'll join me for the next few months at least of Be Creative Club, and then if you join for 6 months, consecutive months, as I said, you get a $25 gift certificate, so you get to pick anything you want for $25 at the end of 6 consecutive months. All right, my friends, thank you. If there's anything I can help you with, don't hesitate to let me know. All right, take care. Bye-bye.